Hey everyone, it's HeatherFaber. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I wanted to make a little updated apartment tour because I've changed up my apartment since the last time I showed you guys. I've gotten new furniture, bed, like all these different things. I will say though, it's not like fully finished yet, which is crazy because I've lived here for so long. But you know what? That's fine. It's okay. I love the way my apartment looks right now. So if you guys want to see an updated apartment tour, then just continue watching. All right, so I'm going to start off in the front here, which is one of my favorite parts of my apartment, which is the kitchen. It's absolutely stunning, and it's just like my favorite kitchen that I've ever had in any apartment. So I have a pretty large kitchen. It's a great size. It's like so much room to cook and so much room to just hang out and do whatever. I still need to get bar stools, but for now don't have those. This is just kind of what's going on here. All right, so I just turned the lights on to kind of show you guys a little bit better because the lighting's a little rough outside right now because it's cloudy and sunny and weird. This is the overview of my kitchen. It's literally one of my favorite parts of my apartment, and the island is so nice, and there's Cairo's dog bowls. Starting off with the island, I got this little wooden bowl to put like my keys and like a little candle in, some matches, and I love this color of this bowl. I got it from Amazon and it just matches the aesthetic perfectly, obviously. And then here's my fridge. I have some pictures, some shark magnets because I'm obsessed with sharks. The one thing I adore about this kitchen is the amount of storage that I have in here. Like I haven't been able to fill every single thing up, and there's even storage in the island, which is amazing. So there's just so much storage when it comes to the kitchen. Moving on to this corner here to match the aesthetic of my kitchen and everything like that, I have all white appliances. I have my beautiful Nespresso machine that I love so much. I have this bouquet of flowers. I had no idea where to put this, so I thought this was like a perfect little corner. I have a white toaster, and then I have my Smeg blender, and all of it just ties each other together. I love it. It just looks so freaking gorgeous in this corner. So that is my like everyday corner that I go to. So I rarely drink, and I thought when I moved that I was gonna get this bar cart and I was gonna decorate it with like beautiful bottles, but I don't drink at all. And I have some like staple alcohol bottles that are like decor pieces, and I'll show you guys. So here's like the decor in the corner here. We have some tequila, Jack Daniels, and then the 818 bottle. I just think the 818 bottles are so aesthetic and just pretty, so I ended up doing that. I have all my glasses for alcohol in here, and I've tied some ribbons around these, but like I said, like I just never drink, so these are kind of untouched. This isn't like the most exciting thing, but I figured I'd show you guys. I have a mini like storage closet with my washer and dryer in here. Still have some things I need to take out. As you can tell, it's quite messy. Kind of full, kind of messy, you know. So now I'm gonna show you guys my living room, and I got 2 new couches. All right, so here's my living room. Giving you guys a quick overview of the 2 couches. Sorry about the lighting. It's been on and off, sunny, cloudy. I don't know what is going on, so I'm gonna like move over here, but I wanted to give you a quick overview of this view over here to show you guys. So I just got this couch. This is a new addition to my apartment. It's like a cloud couch dupe. And then I have had this one for a while. This is like a boucle fabric couch. It's absolutely stunning. So they complement each other well. I switched angles because the lighting's a lot better, but this is the couch. It looks absolutely stunning. I have 2 acrylic like side tables. Here comes my dog. There she is. She loves attention. Hello. And then I have my lamp. This is from Amazon. And then I have my 3 photos, which are, as you can tell, not very symmetrical at all. And I want to change the photos, but I just haven't done it yet. So for now, I leave it, okay? It's fine with me. Here is my coffee table from CB2. I just have my remote on it. And then I have a Porsche 911 coffee table book because that's one of my dream cars. I need to kind of explain this side of my living room because it's a little chaotic. So as you can tell, my TV is very small. Still need a bigger TV, and I also have a TV stand, which I think I'm gonna get rid of. I just haven't really figured out what I'm doing quite yet because I got 2 couches on a whim. Then I was like, maybe I just get rid of the TV stand and then just get a bigger TV and mount it. So that's kind of what I'm thinking of doing, but I'll still show you guys what is over there because this you used to be able to see it a little bit better, obviously minus the couch. Oh yeah, I meant to mention I also have this little tree. I have my vacuum here because I have nowhere to store that right now, so that's just staying right there. I have this little tree from IKEA. It's really cute. It looks like a little bamboo tree. And then here is my mini cute TV. So all of Cairo's toys. She has her little toy box over here. Oh, here's kind of like the display stuff I had in my TV stand that like you used to be able to see. So I have my PlayStation 5, some books, decor, candles, and things like that, and she wants attention. Here's my little hallway. I just put this IKEA mirror. I just figured this mirror looked good here. It kind of just opens up the space a little more. I really like it. And then I have my thermostat over here. Now I'm gonna get into the bedroom. It's not fully finished either, but you know what? There's been a lot of changes, so I'm just gonna show you guys anyway. So here is my bedroom. I got a new bed. I got some dressers. Definitely need new sheets, but because I have you, not really sure what sheets to get. I kind of just use whatever, honestly, but for now, this is what we've got. This right here is my crazy rack of clothes that I need content in, so I just do that because you guys, my closet is right here, but my closet is honestly just a little too small. It's a bit packed, as you can tell. So this is my closet. This is one of my favorite parts of my room, which is the mirrors and the dressers. It's definitely not organized. I'm just being real. I have a very crazy girl mess on these dressers, and I'm just being honest. I'm not gonna clean everything for a video. This is literally my room, and I'm showing you guys how this is like every single day. This is like so honest and real of me, but I literally just keep all my jewelry here. I have a jewelry box, but that's becoming overflowed, so I need to like get rid of some stuff. But these are like my everydays. And one of my favorite new additions is my Stanley Love Shack Fancy. It's really cute and it goes with my room. I'll give you guys a little close-up of my new headboard and bed. It's beautiful. It's like a beige gray color and I'm obsessed with it. And she loves my bed too. That's why she's on it. I don't know which sheets to get. I don't even have a cover for this. It's so bad, but I definitely need to invest in nicer sheets. And then I have the same dresser over here and the mirror and everything like that. I just have random shit on here too. So I have my laptop, my daily planners and journals. I have a lamp, Google Home. I have extensions, like just such a mess. Honestly, just like random stuff. But again, I'm being honest with you guys because this is how my room looks on a daily. So I don't want to like lie to you guys. I have a diffuser, just hand cream. These are literally my absolute favorites. And the one part of my room I really need to upgrade is my desk and my chair and like everything like that. Maybe get like a vanity. But this is just, again, me being honest, this is what it looks like. This is my desk. So this is my like everyday computer, my desktop, my iMac. I always go on this when I'm doing my makeup. I have like my makeup mirror right there. I have some extra little things in my makeup. All my makeup's in there. And then my leftover coffee from this morning. And you guys, look at this. I have so many lips and these are like my everyday favorites. Like just all of these lips. I have all the Rhode and I've been obsessed with the pocket blushes. So I've been using these literally every single day. So I just keep these on my desk like my everydays. So I'm just easy to reach. So this is where I spend most of my time, is my desk area, because I love to do my makeup. I love that it's next to the window and it's just so beautiful. I have just like really large windows and it's so nice. Now for the grand finale, we are in my bathroom, which is actually very large and has some storage here. I have my laundry basket back here, which I can't fully open my door, but I mean, it's fine. I needed a laundry basket. I have some cubbies for storage here. And then of course, my shower, which honestly is a bit dirty. I really need to clean that, but I love the tile in the back. I love my shower so much. And I still have my Get Naked little thing here. And then of course we have all of my favorite skincare products. I have Sunday Riley, Clarins, L'Occitane, I have Rhode, I have like all of my absolute favorites chilling in this tray because I obviously reach for that every night. So those are my favorites. And I have a bunch of my other skincare in here, which is really nice. It's just like another little storage thing here. Anyways, that is my updated apartment tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I can't wait to show you guys once I'm like fully finished furnishing it, but for now this is as much change as I've done and I love it so far. Yeah, that is basically it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I really hope to see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.